instant warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus,